I'm trying out a little super simple salad dressing series. If you want to see the rest of the recipes, make sure you click the I. But for this video, we're going to be making some balsamic dressing. So easy. Should we get cracking? I understand if you're going to go Larry in the comments because this is so easy. It's only going to need about 10 seconds to explain. But I'm going to start off with 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, good quality, in a jam jar. To that, we're going to add in some good quality balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to freehand it, and with all dressings, make sure you season up. So we're going to go in with a bit of salt. Thanks, Ruth. And some pepper. Don't make that mistake twice. I've done that a lot. Lovely, make sure your lid is firmly on and give it a good shake. Ready? And there you have it. Time for the taste test. Excuse my fingers, it's only mine. Beautiful, that'll go. I breathed in the oil. One for the blooper reel. Okay, well, that is going to go gorgeous on some fresh, crisp green lettuce leaves. If you want to see any more of these videos, make sure you hit that I. And if you want to see more from me, I'm here every single Tuesday, so feel free to subscribe. Check out my website, Katie.Pix.com, and until next time, goodbye.